Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Chatdi AI chat and assistant application. So first of all, you need to install this app in your smartphone. Then simply tap on the open button. Then simply tap on the allow button. So it is second to get the interface. It's loading now. So you can see here. So here is some step, like you have to select your language, this language you know, then tap here the tick mark, and next, then you can see here you have to pass some step, but the app is a lot of advertisement. So once you've done, simply tap on the get started button. So you can see it's not free, cancel anytime. I just tap the cross button, and you can see, so you can create your image and create your videos. So this is premium feature, and if you start, then simply tap here like other chatbot. Hi. So it's like other chatbot, but if you want to get a all accesses, then you have to subscribe their package. But it's little loading. So ask, and okay, I'll just show you. The main problem for this app, you have to watch a lot of application in free mode. So you can see here, create image, create videos, chat with character, explore assistant, and also see all. Then you can see here all the characters is here. Also like anyone among them, then simply tap here, then tap the chat, start chat, and then now you can chat. So then you'll get answer from them. It takes in a beginning time, maybe you face something. So you can see little flirty chat mention, and this is the chat history, and this is the art studio. Like you can see here different people, you can change. This is Chatdi, this is the home page. So image and video generated, you can try. Actually it's really easy and simple.